All right, and one local company has been crafting and selling rustic and log furniture for a quarter century now. Misty Mountain Furniture in Sandpoint says its quality speaks for itself. Derek Dice found out for himself in this week's edition of Made in the Northwest.
The idea to open Misty Mountain Furniture came to John Edwards and Chris Park when they were working on a log cabin outside of Yellowstone.
I just threw out the idea. It's like, hey, nobody's making log furniture in Sandpoint. Maybe we should. And Chris was like, well, what tools do we need?
Shortly after that conversation, Misty Mountain opened its doors in 1991. And while it has 3 standard furniture lines, it's really a custom furniture and cabinet shop.
People bring in ideas, and then we'll draft that up and give them a price, and then we'll kind of turn their ideas into reality.
And it prides itself on making high-quality rustic furniture.
You know, I don't want something out there like, who made this? I like this, who made this? You know, so that's important to us.
Over the last decade, pieces with reclaimed barnwood like this cabinet have become a big part of the business.
Right now, all the work being done here at Misty Mountain Furniture is in chairs and tables for the new Mountaintop Lodge at Schweitzer.
Misty Mountain's crew is working hard to get 40 tables and 80 chairs ready for the opening of the ski season.
Schweitzer's been really good to us. We've actually done some other work for the Selkirk Lodge. We've built some furniture for that lodge as well.
Half of the tables will feature these 9-inch folding leaves.
So it's a pretty cool design.
The chairs are sanded, sanded again, and then sanded some more. After the legs are cut, they're brought to the tenoning machine.
It's kind of like a big pencil sharpener that puts the tenons on the end.
Next, the seat shapes are cut out and it's imprinted to make it more comfortable to sit in. Then, the seats and legs are all carefully drilled on this press. Finally, the backrest is put on and the chair assembly is finished. Edwards says you'll notice the difference in Misty Mountain's quality.
You touch it, you feel it, you see the joinery. It's tight joinery, it's sanded very nicely. Our finishes are A1.
Not only does Misty Mountain have a full furniture shop in Sandpoint, it also represents more than 50 local artists who sell their pieces here on consignment.
It's really exciting to be part of that artist community here and really help local artists as well.
And after 25 years in business, Edwards says he's excited to move into more modern rustic design.
And bringing metal in, and we do some stuff with concrete now.
All while continuing to provide the custom furniture you want for your home. From Made in the Northwest, I'm Derek Dice, KXLY 4 News.
And you can see more of Derek's Made in the Northwest stories on KXLY.com under the Features tab.